Hello, my name is Liza. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed a Dollar Tree fall pumpkin into a more spooky pumpkin. The first thing that you're going to need is a sign, and you're also going to need some of the large popsicle sticks and some of the small popsicle sticks. I found a picture on Google of what I wanted, and I wanted to make sure that it fit my sign. Take the bottom of the stand off, and I also took off the raffia bow. Then I had the print side up and the pumpkin face down, and I traced it, and then I cut it out. And you'll notice it didn't really fit on the pumpkin, but that's okay. I'm going to trim that down also. Now the next step you don't have to do if you're going to cover it up, but I did take the label off. It came off really easy, no anything needed. Now take a couple of your large popsicle sticks and turn them into pickets and paint your pumpkin. Don't worry about the cat, I didn't end up using it. And also paint your pickets and your small popsicle sticks. Then once that's dry, add some Mod Podge and add your picture. When it's dry, add more Mod Podge. Now you're going to glue your popsicle sticks together to form a fence. And then we're going to take our skeleton and we're going to have to amputate him. So I pretty much took the height of how I knew I wanted him to stand, and I just cut him off at the knees. My skeleton is from Dollar General. He didn't have any eyes on it, so I took a little paint and I painted them in to make them a little more scary looking. And then I took a look at my pumpkin and I tried to decide on which side I wanted to add my skeleton. First I tried on the right, and I thought, oh, he was a little bit covering my haunted house too much, so I have him on the left. And then for fun, I added the leg as though he's trying to hop the fence. I added a little Spanish moss because that just makes it look all the more scary. And that's it, my finished project. I kept the other side intact. All I did was change out the bow from raffia to a twine bow. I hope you enjoyed my project. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and comments are always welcome. Until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.